Hey everybody, Dr. McCollum. I'm so happy you got here to McCollumWellness.com, and I want to tell you some of the things that you're going to find out about on the August 17th 15-day challenge. It is so great, and this is so needed right now for everybody, because what we want to do is improve our immune response, because nothing's going to keep you healthier other than your body. So if we can eliminate interference from your body, it will become healthier. So on the 15-day challenge, you're going to learn what true keto is, what the ketogenic diet is done correctly, not the people that try it and fail and get sick. That's not the way it's supposed to be done. And you're going to also learn when to do it and when not to do it. You never want to stick to one thing forever. The other thing is intermittent fasting. We're going to break that down in a very doable way, so you actually feel better not eating than you do eating. You're going to feel less inflamed, less bloated. You're going to save money. You're not going to have to go shopping. You're not going to have to do dishes. Pretty cool, huh? And then diet variation. We're going to teach you, what to eat and when. Really, what we found out is that in our ancestors, they never ate the same diet. Americans, since World War II, have been able to eat what they want, when they want, wherever they want, with whoever they want, and as much as they want. And we're rated 47th in the world for health because of that. So we're going to teach you diet variation and how well that works. Ancient healing strategies. This is so cool. This is something you're never going to hear all of this stuff in one place except for here on our workshop. Ancient healing strategies talk about why the Hunza people and various different tribes were so strong, and the warriors were so great, and they lived on one meal a day. And you're going to learn all about that. And then cellular detox. We are living in the most toxic time in human history. There's something like 78,000 toxins and chemicals dumped into the environment since the Industrial Revolution. Our bodies and our livers have not been exposed to this before ever, and it is affecting our health. Again, 81 million Americans have chronic multiple diseases, according to Michigan University. So don't be one of those. Don't be one of the 50% of Americans that have diabetes or are pre-diabetic. And if you do, this is going to help you turn it around. So that's what you're going to get in 15 days, August 17th. Sign up now, because there's a whole bunch of great stuff we're going to get you started on to give you a head start on this whole game. So, all right, just follow the instructions below, and we'll see you on the 17th.